Welcome to Ashi's YouTube channel.
Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna show you my art room tour, and let's begin with first with my colors. And here you can see are my watercolors, and those are my chameleon pencil colors, and then there are Dom's pencil colors. Here are my pencils, here are my poster colors, and some of the sketch pens that are used for as a brush pens only. Okay, and these are markers, these are some crayons, and those are my brushes. And this is my Realme pad where I like to draw my digital art or the illustrations, etc. Let me show you some of my drawings. First of all, this is all the postcards I am gonna draw someday, and this is my little diary which I made myself, and it's really beautiful. I liked it because I wanted to make something cute, and so I made this with some drawing papers, and it's really cute and beautiful. And I covered it with some waste paper because I like to make some things from out of waste. And I am a very creative person, so I like to make things using these little things, waste materials also. So these are all to be drawn yet. I keep them in this box which is of for lights, and I just saved it because I guess this is a quite good place to keep my drawings, little drawings side. So this is my drawing which I made, and this is the first painting I started, which is okay for me. Then it is the most beautiful painting I have made, because when I draw on some huge paper or large paper, I am not able to draw such a beautiful thing there, while on this I guess I have done a great job. And this is a rabbit which I guess looks kind of aggressive, and I love this painting because all the detailing is so beautiful here, you can see. Then this painting, and that's all, because after that I got tired. Here are the small paintings I have made, and this one is one of my favorite, and this is my favorite animal, so I love this one. And this is also the cutest painting, this too. This I don't like so much. This is okay. This is what I made. I really liked how it turned out to be, and this is made by my sister, so it's cute. Then I tried this. I made these because I love to make eyes, but I am not a pro at it, so it's okay. It's quite good still. This is one of the traditional painting that I did, and I love it. This is the painting I made, and I really like it because it turned out so good. This is alright. This I made in 2020. I was really excited to make something really good, which turned out not so good. It is okay, but I like it still. This is a painting I made. I really like this one because it is so colorful, and I like colorful things. This is I have made with the poster colors, and it is quite shiny, and it looks so beautiful, so pretty. I don't know where this sparkle I got it from, but anyhow, I guess from this black paper. But wow, looks nice. Oh, this is the favorite painting of many children because many of my siblings, children have said me this is beautiful. This is a unicorn painting. This one is also cute. This is okay because I like it. Oh, this is the cutest. I made it on Christmas and wow, it looks so beautiful. This is an unfinished painting. I will make this because I maybe forgot where I started. Oh, this one is which I love the most. Oh, that's all. These are my paintings which are loosely held, and then this is my diary which is given to me by one of my friend, and I like the appearance of this diary, and my sister many times convinced me to give it to her, but I said no, I will not give it to you. And she said, you never draw on this. I said no, I sometimes. So this is, I don't know what I did, anyhow, still I wasn't so much of a painter that time, so I haven't drawn much, and all the paintings are dull, but still I love this diary a lot. Then comes this one. This is my one copy when I started making reels and paintings for my page. And I guess I have done a good job here. These all are beautiful, yet a little childish, but at the time I was learning, and I have learned a lot since then. You can see I have progressed here. This is Lord Shiva. I love this drawing. Now this is my favorite painting, and this is my mother's favorite painting too. This is also one of the best painting I have made. Oh, this is a beautiful Polaroids I made on this drawing copy, and I love them. This is Alice in Wonderland, and this is the painting I made on this paper, but firstly I made here and it wasn't absorbing all the colors, so I made it on another paper. So this is I don't know why I made this. This I made on, I guess, Independence Day. Oh, I love this painting. This one got ruined by some paint because I was using the golden paint and it got stuck, and now it has been ruined, but anyhow still some of it is left, so thank God. This is also one of the best, and it also get ruined by the paint, same paint. Oh, this is also beautiful. First of all, when I made that, I didn't like it much. This is made by my sister. This is made by me again. So this is the two of my drawings. Coming to my digital section, I have lost some of my artwork because either I have deleted it off my phone, something happened, I don't remember, but something happened which was, I guess, worse. Anyhow, I have made some of new artworks, so here they are. I use Ibis Paint X to draw my artworks, and here it is Daphne from Bridgerton, and it is one of the beautiful drawing I made. Sorry. And then I was making this, I forgot his name, I guess, Duke of Hastings, yeah. And this okay, this one is good one, but I didn't post it. I haven't posted any of these right now. This I made the pizza lady, and this, it's beautiful because it is one of the Cannes dress and I liked it. See, I guess I should focus it here. This is one of the drawing I made and I'm proud of it. It turned out so good. See, this is one of the logo I tried for myself actually, and this is for It Ends With Us. I was making the chapter series because I liked it, and this is for book illustration I am doing recently for someone, and it all is what I like the most. I do these all in my free time. I'm a very creative person. I can't sit idle, so I use my brain doing all these things, and I'm proud of my art gallery, which is actually a kitchen, see. And because we have a kitchen downstairs, and this is one of our kitchen upstairs which we don't use, so I'm using it for displaying my artworks and for creating my art. That's all. Toodles. We'll see you next week.